Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about phrasal verbs for kids. Fill in. Fill in your full name and address. Pick up. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Tear up. Why did you tear up that letter? Get up. He get up and go to work. Grow up. When I grow up, I want to be just like you. Put on. I put on a coat to go outside. Take out. The dentist has to take out this tooth. Look after. Who will look after your grandparents? Run away. The thief had run away when the policeman came. Sit down. Please sit down. Stand up. Can you stand up? Turn on. I want to turn on the light. Turn off. Please turn off the light. Take away. Take away the glasses and tray. Throw away. Many people throw away their computers after just a few years of use. Get in. I'm inviting you to get in the car. Get out. I told him to leave and get out of my car. Give away. We have 6 copies of the book to give away. Write down. Write down the address before you forget it. Take off. The plane will take off in 4 hours. Give up. His uncle advised him to give up smoking. Hang out. Find some people to hang out with for a while. Come in. May I come in, sir? Find out. Why don't you guys go and find out? Ask for. You should go to your doctor and ask for advice. Please subscribe our channel for more educational videos.